last skill, novel and adaptive thinking. This one I actually think is kind of interesting. This skill is about, can you borrow a technology, maybe from another industry or something that's brand new, and use it to solve a problem that you're already solving in a unique or even better way. So let me give you an example, 3D printing. 3D printing didn't exist actually when it was in manufacturing. It came on the scene, and now you could make prototypes. Transformational technology. If you can imagine, if you're not familiar with 3D printing, although they're everywhere now, just think about pouring liquid metal or liquid plastic into a printer. And now you can print everything to toys, right? To, I've seen wedding cake icing coming out of these 3D printers, right? Novel and adaptive thinking now. Here is a plastic surgeon. What he does is he reconstructs faces, chins, noses, ears, and he uses, foreign materials, but doing it very successful as a reconstructive surgeon. He sees 3D printing and says, I wonder if I could pour human collagen into the printer and print human ears, because that would be much better for a patient. Let's take a look at Dr. Bonasser's ears.
I'm Dr. Bonasser, and my lab makes ears. This ink is actually a living ink. It contains living cells. It's alive when we put it into the printer. It's alive when it comes out of the printer. The real power of the printing technique is that it can be used to make geometries that you just can't make with any other technique. You can make parts with holes in them. We can layer and cover and put different cells next to each other to create really the complex organs that make up our bodies. And after 2 months in an incubator, the tissue fills in and looks white, just like real cartilage.
Isn't that amazing? Novel and adaptive thinking. Can you take a technology, a new technology, right, and resolve problems that you are solving so well already, but actually solve them in an even better way?